morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumala Siddharpidam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now many students are asking doubts about the golden globe. How the Sri Chakra is formed as a golden globe in the Guru Mandala of the Yogi. In the Shaktipat Yoga, there are 2-3 levels of practice. Shakti worship is formed of 4 levels. 1. Sarya level, that is temple worship, mostly temple worship, and the functions related to temple worship. How the temple worship should be done, what are the festivals to be conducted, what are the procedure to be followed, all this can be obtained in Ajita Agama. Many persons should know about the Ajita Agama. Every Agama is nearly 28 times bigger than Bhagavad Gita. So all the ritual portion is available in detail in Ajita Agama, and the puja materials, how to do all these things, are also available in different Agamas. But the second level is Kriya. The devotee who is used to this temple worship should lift himself above this form of worship. This is the initial form of worship. From this form of worship, he should lift above to the second stage called Kriya. In this stage, one should worship in his house or in his residence. He will conduct puja himself, homa, etc. So he lives above this temple worship. Wherever he is, he conducts worship for himself and obtains these benefits. And in this chakra worship, there are these plates, copper plates, silver plates, and golden plates. They draw lines, geometrical diagrams in the plate, and they inscribe letters into it, and they worship. This form of worship is very, very ancient in India. It starts from the period of Kapalikas. There are triangles, different types of triangles, flower-like shapes, square, round, etc. So Sri Chakra is also of these forms, geometric forms, and you can draw it in copper plate or silver plate or golden plate. There are agamas explain what in and which plate one should draw for which purpose also, and the puja to be conducted for these plates and the naivedya to be offered, etc. in detail available. But what happens is, after this, one goes to the higher level called, it becomes a 3D worship. It is called Mahameru worship. The Mahameru is now, some companies are selling, they are making door delivery also. They are sending this geometrical form in metals, and people are receiving and keeping in puja. They go do Kungumarchana and Abhisheka, all these things for these structures. They are very intrinsic in dimensions. And the better form is Spadika. The Sri Chakra in Spadika is very useful for you. And the geometric shapes actually just work just like a diamond. The ray of light going inside this structure goes around like this, and it clears the astral energy around it. Just like a diamond, the ray of light enters into it, and there is a critical angle. The geometric dimension is cut in such a way as when the ray of light enters, it goes inside it and makes radiations around that, and any flaw in the construction of the structure, in constructing the house or office, that will be rectified by this radiance. That is what people call it as Vastu problems. If you have Vastu problem in any area, you can keep this Spadika Mahameru in that particular place, then it will be cleared immediately. Because I have studied it with this, I have placed this structure, Spadiga structure in this Vastu violation place, and studied with this RO scanner. It gets cleared within seconds. So instead of demolishing some portions of the house and installing, reconstructing the portion to rectify the Vastu problem, if you keep one Spadiga, this Mahameru there, it will clear all these things. Okay, in yoga, you are forming this in your body, in your adharas. And naturally, what happens is this when you activate Kundalini and when Kundalini rises from one Adhara to another, the chakras merge with one another. From Mooladhara to Swadhisthana, and when you reach this Guru Mandala, the Sri Chakra is formed just like a globe. In the Mooladhara to Sahasrara, the chakras are in the form of what we call these the different names. Trailokya Mohana Chakram, Sodasadala, Paribhuraka Chakram, Sarvartha, Sarva Samsobhini Chakram, Sarva Saubhagya Dayaga Chakram, Sarvartha Sadhaka Chakram, Sarva Raksagara Chakram. Likewise, different names you are having all the adharas. When activated, they become chakras. When they become chakras, they are yandras. What is an yandra? This is a diamond, this is a structure, triangular, then square, all this. When you see the structure of these adharas, they are just like yandras. When the Kundalini rises, this yandra one merges with the higher one. Another, they are higher, likewise it goes. And after crossing the Sahasrara, they form the infinite globe. Because above Sahasrara there is Guru Mandala. This Guru Mandala is in the form of a golden globe. It is mentioned in Tirumandram that it is a golden ball and the diameter is 12. Height, radius is 6 and diameter is 12. And it is in the golden globe, and when you activate it will expand. That is also there. But when these chakras merge with each other and this, where they become a globe with 144 triangles. These 144 triangles are very significant because this concept, these 144 triangles are there, and Omkara will be filling up each triangle there. And it starts this rising music that is clearly mentioned in Tirumandram. So this is the golden globe. The Sri Chakra becomes a golden globe and rises music, divine music. And this idea, if it forms above the head of Guru Mandala of the yogi, it will be beneficial for the yogi as well as the people in the surrounding area. It is better for the whole community. This will purify the astral energy around you. This will purify the astral field around you, so it will be better for the whole society. So what happened? This concept is very ancient, and this is, however, it echoed to Western world and it is returned as the Merkaba principle. In Merkaba principle, they are having a golden globe with 144 triangles and call it the flower of life. The flower, they have drawn flowers like this and each triangle and call it the flower of life. This is already there in the dimension of the Sri Chakra. If you multiply, see the triangles there, you will see evidently 44 triangles, later 144 triangles, and then 224 triangles. These three principles are there in the Sri Chakra. This 144 comes, that is 12 into 12. When you take the energy Kundalini to Sahasrara, the 12 Surya principles merge with the 12 Chandra principles. Then the 12 into 12, 144 triangles express, they unfold in the Guru Mandala and become the multi-dimensional globe, golden color globe with the rising music. Another dimension is also there. It expands further and becomes 224 Bhuvanas. The Sakta principle 14 and Shiva principle 16 multiplied 224. There is also another, this globe will be bigger than that. I am tracing how, where is it available anywhere in the records. So the golden globe is the expression of this Sri Chakra, which the Shaktipat yogi will find himself and worship for his own benefit and others also. I am teaching practical training program to those Shaktipas who want to form this infinity energy, golden globe, multidimensional Sri Chakra above his Guru Mandala. Those who need, contact me. Thank you.